In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find and fix instances where somebody may have manually overridden a formula with a hard-coded number. So here we have some data of winning Mega Millions numbers from 2020 through 2025. And we want to see the frequency of the mega ball number so we can maybe pick the mega ball that would improve our odds the most. So here we have the sort of the different mega balls, sort unique, and then a count if of each mega ball number. And then here are the most popular ones. And towards the end, you run a check to make sure everything adds up. But wait a second, not everything adds up. And that's because some of these cells are manually overridden with a hard-coded number, as you can see easily as I'm kind of cycling through them. A couple quick things that you can do. One is to highlight these cells, go to Find and Select, go to Special, go to Constants. And then by clicking on Constants, it's going to find and select everything that is not a formula. And you can have just numbers, text, logicals, and errors, and whichever you have all of them selected or whichever ones you want. So click OK. As you can see, it highlights the cells that are a number instead of a formula. You can fill these cells in red and then fix them accordingly. In this example, it's just easy drag and drop, but it might be more complex based on what you're working on. Another thing that you can try is you can have everything show as formulas. So go to formulas, and then you can go to show formulas right there. And this is not my favorite approach personally, just because it kind of throws off the formatting like this. But by doing this, you can easily see which cells are not formulas. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.